now let's take a look at graph for sine, cos, tangent. Right? First, let's take a look at the sine graph. Right? When sine 0, what we get? Sine 0 we get 0. Sine 90 degree we get 1. Sine 180 degree we get 0. Sine 270 degree we get 1. 360 degree we get 0. Right? So the graph for sine is zero. Pi divided by 2 is 90. Alright? Pi is 180. 3 pi over 2 is 270. And 2 pi is 360. Right? And this is 1. Okay. Sine 270 is negative 1. Alright? And then here is negative 1. So sine 0 is equal to 0. So here sine 90 is equal to 1. Alright? Okay. So sine 90 is 4. Sine 180 is 0. So this is the curve. Sine 270 is negative 1. 300 is 1 or 0. So this is the sine graph. Then how about the cos graph? So this is the table. Alright? So cos 0 degree, you get 1. Right? Cos 90, you get 0. Cos 180, you get minus 1. Cos 270, you get 0. Cos 360, you get 1. Right? So now let's draw the cos graph. So 0, pi divided by 2, pi, three pi divided by 2, then 2 pi. Right? So when cos equals to 0, this is 1, this is minus 1. Right? So when cos equals to 0, when cos 0 degree equals to 1. So here is 0. 180 is negative 1. So negative 1 is here. So here, then cos 270 is 0 over here. This is 1. Alright? So this is the cos graph. Now let's take a look at tangent graph. Alright? So tangent 0 degree, how much we got? 0. Tangent 90 degree, tangent 180 degree, tangent 270 degree, tangent 360 degree. Alright? So tangent 90 degree, we get plus minus infinity. This one is 0, this one is plus minus infinity, and this is 0. Right? So how do we draw this graph? Right? So pi divided by 2, pi, 3 pi divided by 2, 2 pi. This is 0. Okay. When when tangent 0 degree, we get 0 for the y-axis, alright? This is the y-axis. So 0, 0. 90 degree, this is plus minus infinity, right? So this also meaning, what does it mean? This means that when tangent approaching 90 degree, the y value is in plus and minus infinity. This is the graph. This curve will never touch 90 degree, pi divided by 2. They will only meet at infinity, alright? So this is a plus infinity. This is the negative infinity. 180 is 0. 270, 3 pi over 2 is plus minus infinity as well. And here. Right? And this we call asymptote. Alright? Now let us sketch this graph. Y equals to 2 sine x. Alright? 360 degree, 270 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, 0 degree, 2 sine x, the y value. Alright? So substitute 0 into x, we get 2 sine 0 degree, we get y, we get 0. 2 sine 90 degree, we get 2. 2 sine 180, we get 0. This one, 2 sine 270, we get negative 2. This is 0. This is 0. Right? So let us sketch this graph. Okay. 2, 2. Alright? Maximum and minimum is 2 and negative 2. So here, pi divided by 2, pi, 3 pi divided by 2, 2 pi. Alright? This is 0. When 2 sine 0 degree, you get 0 here. So here we get 90 degree, we get here. Right? So and this is the graph. Next, let's sketch this graph. Y equals to modulus cos x. Alright? So let's draw this table out. Cos x. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Alright? So this is y. Cos 0 is equals to 1. Cos 90 equals to 0. Cos 180, we get negative 1. But remember, we have a modulus here. All the negative number will eventually become positive number. So negative 1 become 1. This is 0. This is 1. Alright? So the graph for this will be so 0, pi divided by 2, pi, 3 pi divided by 2, 2 pi. Right? So when 0 cos 0 degree, y equals to 0, and then here is 0, 180 is 0, 180 is 1. 160 also 1, alright? So this is a graph for cos modulus, this is a graph for y modulus cos x, okay? This is the graph for y equals to modulus cos x. Now let's take a look at these questions. Y equals to 4 minus cos 2x. And we are asked to sketch the graph for this. Right? So, for 4 minus cos 2x. Alright? This is 1. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Alright? So zero multiply 2, we get 0. So cos 0, we get 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Alright? So 90 multiply 2, we get 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. Minus 1, 4 minus minus 1 is 5. Right? 180 multiply 2, we get 360. Cos 360, we get 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 270 multiply 2 is 540. Cos 540 is minus 1. Minus 4 minus minus 1 is 5. So 360 multiply 2 cos 720 is 1. 4 multiply 1 is 3. Alright? So just substitute this angle into x. Alright? 0 substitute into x. 2 multiply 0. So 0 cos 0. 4 minus cos 0. This one is 4 minus cos 180. Because 90 multiply 2. Alright? So these are the y value we get. 35353. Alright? So this will be the graph. X, y, right? So this will be pi divided by 2. This will be pi. This will be 3 pi divided by 2. This will be 2 pi. Right? So 5. This is 3. This is 4. Alright? Okay, when this is 0, right? When x equals to 0, y equals to 3. So this is the point. When x equals to 90, y equals to 5. When x equals to 180, this is here. And this one 270 is here. And here is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have all the 5 points. Then let's roll it. Right? This should be the graph for y equals to 4 minus cos 2x. Alright, there is a second part of the questions. Hence, based on the graph in this, find the value of the k such that the equations cos 2x equals to 3k. Cos 2x equals to 3k. And has only two solutions. The range is, alright. So how do we find k? Alright, these equations, cos 2x equals to 3k, right? So let's compare with this cos 2x and this one, right? So how do we get this? Okay, so cos 2x, we move to right hand side, become negative. Here we move to left hand side, become negative. So both sides we can add a negative here, because here is a negative. So both sides add a negative, you can cancel it out, still the same. So add a 4, add a 4 here. Right? So this whole term is become y. Y equals to 4 minus cos 2x. Y equals to 4 minus cos 2x. So this one we can rewrite into y equals to 4 minus 3k. Alright? And we are told that there is two solutions in between 0 to 360 degrees. Meaning, in between these two graphs, there is two solutions. Meaning, these equations y equals to 4 minus 3k intersect this curve at 2 points. So, in which it will intersect this curve at 2 points. Alright, this is obviously this is a constant. So, this will be a straight line for this. So, is it 3? Because in between 0 to 3, there's the curve didn't reach anything below 3. So 0 to 3 is impossible. So let's take a look at starting from 3. 3. If y equals to 3, how many intersection points? 1, 2, 3. Cannot. What if equals to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 intersection points. Cannot. So what if equals to 5? 1, 2. Only 2 intersection points, meaning 2 solutions. So we can say this is equal to 5. So 3k is equal to 4 minus 5. K is equal to minus 1 over 3. Alright? If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.